What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, acjbeautybae. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and please subscribe. That'll help your girl out truly and dearly, okay? Um, basically what I'm doing on my channel is like I've been doing reviews, but today I'm coming with a unboxing of the Fabfitfun Winter box, okay? It took not that long, for me to receive my box and whatever. It might have took like almost a month because they, with the COVID-19 and the shipping and everything's backed up. So waited for a little while, but yeah, this is my first time ordering a box, so I caught the deal. If you know me, which I hope y'all, like I said, subscribe to my channel, get to know your girl, and you will understand and know that I love saving money, okay? I love a great deal, so I be signing up for various, like, what can I say? Just like random boxes, you know what I'm saying? Like free stuff, pretty much. Just what I like. I love free stuff. Who don't like free stuff? Okay. So I use a lot of coupons. I use a lot of apps to like make money, get a great deal. Like an example, I think it's Honey. If you haven't tried it, please try Honey. Um, it's not sponsored or anything like that, but I used Honey before and it gave me a great discount, okay? And there's other companies that I use. Like this outfit that I have on right now, it's a dress. It's blue. The pieces underneath that also comes with the outfit is blue that goes along with the blue outfit. It's sheer, as you could tell, it's designed like that. It's really cute, It's really cute. Can't show you everything, but it's really cute, okay? I got it for a great deal, and if you want to know how I got the great deal, I got it off of Amazon, but I also used a coupon code. And if you want to know where I get my coupon codes for my Amazon clothes, I will let you know. Other videos like the 90s, Rugrats outfit that I had on, I also got it off of Amazon, also with a coupon code, okay? So I'm getting these cute little outfits on the low. And if you want to know, please leave a comment, let's talk, let's chat about it. And I would love to make a video about like the apps that I use so y'all also can get some of these coupons. But without further ado, because I'm just talking, y'all, let's do this unboxing. I ain't gonna lie, I already went into the box, of course, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty big. It's the winter box. Turn it up. It comes with a magazine. Say Fabfitfun. Look at the box. Okay. I haven't really browsed through that, but I'll do that later. Summer and Rose. It's a robe. Okay. It's a robe. I just browse, in the box to see what I got, and then I put everything back in there, So I didn't even touch the robe, y'all. Let's find out. Ooh. It's pretty big, This is the tag that came on it. Oh, it comes with a hood. Hey. Okay. Try to robe up, y'all. Ooh, it got like little particles like flying around or whatever. Trying to get it right, y'all. Hold on. But it's pretty big. It's pretty big. You feel good, y'all. Yes, honey. Snug my body. Hug my body, baby. Baby girl. Baby girl. Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay, that feels pretty good. I like it. I like it. Okay. Okay, y'all. Yeah, I'm sitting on my bed. This is Rhythm of the Rain hair mask and scalp detox. Hair getting in my mouth. Damn. Crazy. Hair mask and scalp detox. Okay, it's pure and soothing. The pattern of rain is a lullaby for the soul. Blended with shea butter and argan oil. This cleanses cream is rich with nourishing natural botanicals that restore scalp health and replenish moisture for shiny hair that's soft, strong, and hydrated to perfection. Okay. So I give this a try one of these days. And it's the full bottle. Okay, full bottle. It comes with this. HelloFresh. I have ordered from HelloFresh before, and the food was pretty good. They send you the recipes, and you know, especially if you don't want to go out all the time shopping, you can order these boxes. Delivery, of course. They keep it cold with the packets, so it's great. I use it, honey. Yes. This came in it. To redeem your 14. I'm just fucking words. 14-day free trial, okay, for HBO. I can't show y'all my code because I might want it. Ooh, I got a little Fabfitfun sticker. Oh yes. Thank you for the sticker. Add a little sparkle to your shine, honey. Okay, pass this along to a friend who will love Fabfitfun. $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. That's 200 plus worth of products for just $34.99. So yeah, you watching this video and you trying to try one of these good old boxes, leave a comment and I will send you the code. First come, first serve, baby. That's $15 off of $34.99 box. That means that's cut in half, baby girl. All right? Get your girl one. Get yourself one. Get your mama one. Get your sister one. You know, tell them to come check the video out, my channel out. Subscribe. Help your girl out. I had to throw that in there, of course, y'all. Okay, Bright Cellars Discovery Wine you will love. And I don't know about you, honey, but I love me some wine. So I get to scratch these out. It's saying feeling lucky, scratch off to see your credits. Okay, let's scratch it off and find out. Got 2 zeros. Let's see. Today was redeem your $45 credit. So it's saying you get a $45 credit, even though I got 2 zeros and 145. So I don't know, y'all, but this is what it is. Got some of this paper that came in the box. Ooh, what's this? This is Phase Zero, Making Moves, a blusher. Let's take a look at it, y'all. Okay. It's cute. You know, little box stuff. I love this shit, yo. I don't know. It's something about Look, y'all. Don't pay me no mind. But that's pretty. I like that. Daily Concepts. Ooh, a fresh scrubbing brush. Daily facial dry brush for radiant looking skin. Let's take a look at what it look like. Okay. I actually ordered one of these off of Amazon. Tell you, I be getting these deals, honey. And if you want to know what apps I'm using to get these deals, baby girl, comment, please subscribe, and let your girl know if you want to see that video, because I got plenty of stuff. Like, I'm making money, yo. I make money on games. I make money on these little apps that I have on my phone, and it's not, yeah, it's a little extra money. A little extra money. Trying to get it open. My kids knocking at the door. No, I'm not done. Okay, finally got the dang brush out. Ooh, it's soft, yo. Scrape this makeup off later. Okay, that's dead. It's so shiny, yo. Lucky Stars blemish patches. Patches, anti-imperfections. 40 patches. Breakouts happen. Star misaligned. But fear not. It's not the end. Cute enough to be worn during the day, Lucky Stars blemish patches are packed with powerful natural ingredients that team up to suck out imperfections, soothe skin, and reduce the potential for scarring so you can shine like the star you are. Period. Okay? So, you must try that out. Because your girl be having dark marks, and hyperpigmentation do not help out. Ooh. Look at this, y'all. This is so pretty. Look at that, y'all. Look at it. Let's try them. You talking to me? Oh. I'm just looking cute. Serving. Okay. Yeah. What's this? A vanity mirror, honey. Touch highlight. LED makeup mirror. This came in this box, yo. Okay. Let's just take it out and look at it. It's pretty big, y'all. Oh, shit. Hey. Baby girl. Okay, so we're gonna have to steam and stuff, but we ain't gotta do all of that right now, you know. Do it. You'll close it. Get right to light. Some more news. Okay, honey, be kind. Make sure your girl eating healthy, honey. 90 calories, baby. Dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. What can be better? I love these bars, okay? Because I am on a fitness journey. You know, I'm trying to get this fupa in check. All right? I have been up here in a little while from me posting my last video. But I've been going through a lot lately, and you know, it's not the time to talk about that, but 2020, fuck you, yo. Fuck you. Truly from the bottom of my heart. Okay, y'all. This is the last thing that's in the box. Cutting board set 4. Different colors. I see green, yellow, like a light green, maybe lime, but okay. Bring your girl something for the kitchen. Make sure she cook. Bam, y'all. That is the Fabfitfun Winter box. Okay. One item I wasn't able to get because by the time I figured it out, like I said, this is my first time getting this box, and I supposed to have like an extra item that I could have got for free, and I didn't get it because they was all out. How y'all be all out? And then you're not telling me all the information because I wasn't able to get my other item because I was trying to do everything on my phone. Little did I know you can't do everything on your phone. In order to secure these items or select the items that you want in the box, because you can select some of your items, you have to do it on a desktop computer. FYI, a desktop computer to finish your order up, because if I would have known, I would have got my extra thingy. And then the thing I believe I wanted is like a incense, not a candle, like a, you know, you can put the oil inside of it. It's round, but it's real cute. I would have loved that shit, but what can I do? So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the road, 8 items that came in the Fabfit box, y'all. And I love every single one of them. I'm upset that I didn't get my other item that I would have loved to have for free. You already know I love free items. What more can I say? But yeah, y'all. Thank you for checking y'all girl out for this unboxing. I will be doing more videos 2021. I'm coming for you, baby. And this wig right here, guess what, y'all? Amazon. Yes, I got this wig off of Amazon too with a coupon code. Once again, yes. I'm all for the good deals, the coupons, and saving a coin, because who don't need to save a coin? Tell me. I got kids, baby. I got 4 kids. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But all right, y'all. Thank you for checking me out. Once again, I would say like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Check your girl out, acjbeautybae, honey. Follow me on IG, because that's where I be usually. I do have a Facebook account, but I don't be on Facebook as much. Yeah, but I'm trying to get more on Instagram, so that's where I usually be at now. I be hanging out, okay, watching everybody. I like to see what's going on. All right. But thank you for coming through with your girl, hanging out with me. Come back and hang out with your girl again, because I will be posting some more videos. 2021, I'm coming strong for you.